responsible. This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's had a great night. Ready for a great day. See what the markets have done overnight. We see we're popping up here. We dipped and now popping after a huge dip yesterday. Huge dip. 50.81 seems to be the low. Yes, it's gotten back up to 51.20. That's a big move, almost 40 points. NQ low 792 has popped back up to. Wait, is that right? 792. 918. Wow, that's a big move in the last couple hours. So 792 to 918, about 116 points, I believe. Hey, Gregory, how you doing? Copper moving overnight downward, about 166. Gold, yeah, fell back below 2,400 after getting back above last night. Looks like we got about 30 points of range there. Ultra bond dipped a little since I moved that yellow line. Ooh, it's actually moving pretty good, about 1.5 points. Crude oil dipping at its daily low, about 120 or so ticks. Natural gas all wonky over there, and Bitcoin continues to have a bad week. It's down to just under 63, although it did dip down to 61 something. So that's where we sit standing, whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. Oh, ready to rock and roll. How are you doing today, Greg? Just watching the price action. We're slightly under 17.9. Made a nice little move down. Just seeing what it wants to do. Let's see, news today. We have news today. Lots of news today, actually. We have Canadian housing starts coming up in 10 minutes. It's marked red, but I don't remember that moving the market. But we have U.S. housing starts coming up at 8:30, as well as Canadian CPI. So we'll see what that does. Bunch of earnings calls that I don't think is going to be anything. We have a Fed speaker at 9 o'clock, as well as an International Monetary Fund press briefing. At 9:15, we have U.S. industrial production. And we have bill auctions later on. And then for those of you that might be trading into the afternoon, at 1 o'clock, Barkin speaking, but then at 1:15 Eastern time, Powell speaking. See, we're continuing to grind down here. Little bounce here. Nope, no bounce. Whoosh. Now the bounce. I'll try along. Oh, come on. There we go. Target hit. 6.25 points. Good start to the day. Hey, JC, how you doing? I could continue there because that was another blue candle, but happy with that. Yep, so far so good. And I start off with a good positive balance from last night. Uh, Made a nice trade on the NKD off of its open last night during the Asia stream. Another blue candle. Ooh, strong blue candle. So we're long again. Going long again. That did just run into an EMA, so I'm hoping it can break through. Do have Canadian housing starts coming up in 4 minutes. I don't expect that to move the market, but if it does and I'm still in this trade and I take a loss, I'll blame John. Hey CVR, how you doing today? Struggling here right at 900. Let's see if it can break through. Big even number. There we go. There we go. Target hit. 2 wins. So 2 wins in the last 4 minutes. 6.25 points each. So what? 6 and 6, 12, 12.5 points over the last 4.5 minutes or so. Now you might be wondering, why do I have a target of 6.25 points? Isn't that kind of weird? Well, I'm actually doing a MyFundedFutures eval right now. And MyFundedFutures has specific rules about scalping, where they want at least 50% of your trades to be longer than 15 seconds and or 6.5 points or more. I mean, 6.25 points or 25 ticks or more on NQ. So I was normally shooting for 5 points, but I increased it to 6.25. So I do not run afoul of the powers that be at MyFundedFutures. Pull back down. I got a little lucky there too. Looks like got out at 903 half. It went up to 904, so I went 2 more ticks and then dropped. It's not. It wouldn't be the same with bond. I mean, hey, Speed Racer. I'm assuming most of the bond trades are more than 15 seconds, JC. That's just each asset they have a different thing for, but yeah, you'll be fine. They're not looking for 25 ticks on the bonds. It's not, it's per asset basis. They're just trying to make sure people aren't manipulating sim fills, unrealistic sim fills that couldn't be replicated in the live market. Some people like to try and scalp NQ for like a point or 2 points and that type of thing. Coming back down. That's why I'm here, to further everybody's knowledge. Oh, are you okay, CVR? How bad, CVR? Can you recover? Hey, Cossack? CVR, we considered a continuous glucose monitor. And what caused you to drop 76? Awesome, JC. Are you having any, like cravings, or having any struggles where you want to break it? Or are you still doing, going strong with it? Excellent, JC. Excellent. Still coming down to 881. What was our low? Ways away, about 100 points away. So we're kind of stagnant here. Stagnant. I'm sticking with it. Still overeating at times, but when I do, it's carnivore foods. My goal is to lose about 100 pounds in the next 6 months. Yeah, that whole getting a new ID situation. If I don't get it done by the end of September, I'll have to provide a whole bunch of, instead of just renewing it, I'll have to provide the whole birth certificate and all those other documents, and it's a whole lot more trouble. So my goal is to be able to get out of my house and get my ID taken care of by the end of September. Another dip here. Almost faked me out. That blue candle there, I was ready to take. I didn't like the fact that it was still below that purple candle. I should have taken the second purple candle. No. I don't mean move, JC. I mean just be able to like leave the house and then be able to get back into the house. My whole outside step situation, just so I can go over and get my identification. Because right now, my not having a valid ID is causing me issues. Um, there's certain props I can't use because of the ID issue. Matter of fact, I don't. I'm funded with Topstep, and I don't think it's a problem in the live sim. But if I ever actually got good and was moved, they wanted to move me to the live account. I don't know if they would accept my current expired ID. So just a matter of getting out of my house would be okay. It's the getting back in part that's the problem. Yeah, I mean, I'm not really planning. Once I'm able to get in and out, I still don't. I mean, I don't plan on doing a lot outside of the house. But I've never been the type to really be that active. We're long here. I'm late. Um, but we'll see. And if I can get out of the house, it means that there's a possibility of the whole MightyOxTrading meetup thing. I need to put a stopwatch on my trades so I know when I'm over 15 seconds. Looks like it's going to bounce off that EMA and come down and hit me, but we'll see. Tight stop on it, just 2.25 points. Yeah, another blue candle there. Ooh, still ran into that EMA though. Pushing up. Come on, push, push. Oh, back down to my entry. Ooh. There we go. Another. It's trying. Nope. And this might come down and hit me. Let's see. Yep, stopped out. Yeah, it came coming back down. I should have probably just got out when that purple candle formed, but kind of had hope. But that's okay. Cool beans. It's been a long time since we seen you. How you doing, my friend? Yeah, definitely. I never thought I would say that was a goal, JC, the meetup thing, but it is, and I hope it will happen. I mean, if we ever decide to do it, when we do, let's say when we decide to do it, someone else got to plan that because I have no experience planning anything like that. Oh, look at that spike. Oh yeah, I forgot. Oops, I totally forgot about the news. Wow. Glad it wasn't. Well, if I had been in a long trade, that would have worked well. Oops, totally forgot about news. If anyone else was hoping I would remind them about that news. Oops. I did not take that blue candle. It felt too big, but I guess it would have worked. That's what she said. Coming back down. ATR is up to 7. So that technically means I should go to a 10-point target. We'll see. Hey, Rod, so far so good. How are you doing? Pretty sure Earn to Trade does. Anyone else trade under an LLC and has done it with the props? Cossack, ask that question on the Discord. See if we get any other responses there. And I'll put it on my to-do list to start researching that question with the props. Okay, Topstep does. I had a feeling Topstep would. So rising back up, just fighting 900. We fought 900 earlier. Speed Racer, I still have the store you ordered from up. I'm working on the other store. It's up, but I haven't figured out how to make it look all nice. Has more merch in it than the original, but uh, it looks ugly. But that other store has better shipping costs and stuff. You see here, this is the new store that I'm working on. But you can see if you go to it, it doesn't. Oh, hold on. doesn't look real nice. I have to figure out how to work with Shopify. Still kind of grinding up. And they have like hundreds of more things they could add. So it's just finding time to work on it, figuring out how to design it. Yeah, I'm not a good with web design anymore. I still need to eventually hopefully I can pay someone to build a website as well for MightyOxTrading. I used to be good at web design like 20 years ago. Now anything I try to build on the web comes out looking like something out of 1999 GeoCities. Popping up. Nice blue candle there. Boop. Like I taught myself HTML back in the day, and then they had to bring out that dang CSS, and I've never got CSS. Yeah. Cossack, we might need to talk to see what kind of cost you would, kind of payment you would want to do something for MightyOxTrading. Pulls back a bit. Just kind of grinding up here, up to 905. Do have more news coming up that hopefully I won't forget about this time at 9:15 Eastern. So let's see. Gold dipped and coming back. Oh, what did I just do? There we go. Crude kind of hanging out here right above 85, waiting for its open. Yeah, I've been wanting a website for MightyOxTrading for over a year. Dips coming back up. And folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, or if you just arrived and you expect to enjoy today's stream, appreciate if you would gore that like button. Let YouTube know that you enjoy it. Let YouTube know that you like it. Let YouTube know that you want more of it. We're popping there. I didn't trust it, but oh man, it would have worked up to 916. So as it's working its way back, it took a huge fall yesterday. Our high yesterday was 350 and it dipped all the way down to 841. So that was a 500 point drop on NQ. And of course, it dipped even further overnight. It's trying to work its way back up. Back up, dip back down. Hey, John, doing pretty good so far. How are you doing? See, that's what I need to get better at reading this in real time. This was a perfect entry. Purple candle, green down here in my RSI, touching the bands. That was a perfect entry. And so far, my brain doesn't fire on, on those for some reason. But you can see it came down, Euro. Didn't quite get 10, but we've slowed down, so I think you can go back to 5 or, well, 6.25. That would have been a good trade. Another purple, though. Here we go. Dropping down low. Nope. Maybe. It can't decide what it wants. Nope. No purple there. Now it's blue. I have a blue. Blue below my signal line. Nice, John. Very nice. That's a big amount of points for you, isn't it? Long here, I was late, obviously. Should have been at 11, and I got in at 13.25, so we'll see. Nice, John. Yeah, it's not going to work out. I should have stayed out. I chased that. That was stupid of me. Stopped out. This game back too much there. That was stupid. That's interesting. So there's a prop firm that allows you to trade stocks called Trade the Pool. And they just came out with their own, they somehow got their own Visa card where you get your profits right on the Visa card. I think they're incredibly expensive, but I get their emails. So I thought that was interesting that I saw that. Kind of choppy here. Hanging around 910. ES 5117. No G-Man this morning. Hey, Chris. Sorry I missed you. I just saw you there. Did not mean to ignore you, Chris. I apologize. And David, how are you doing? I acknowledged your mention of Topstep, but didn't acknowledge you. How rude of me. Yeah, dip there. Hey, John, how did your blood work come back the other day? I remember you were going for blood work. Dipping? Yeah, Ace is like a thief in the night. Never know where he's going to pop up. Nice drop here. Okay. No lab. It's hanging on that EMA, backbound right around 900. We fought there before. Nice blue candle there. Let's see if it holds. Make sure I have my finger on the right button. It was more wick than body. About 5 minutes to the top of the hour. Remember, we have news coming up at 15 minutes after the hour. And if anyone's trading in the afternoon, remember Powell is speaking this afternoon. Another blue candle. We're long. Hey, it's that band. I probably should have my target there. Let's see what it does. Just trying. Can't. There we go. Oh! I'll get there. Darn it. Just didn't move my target fast enough. Come on, come back up for me. Back down to my entry. Should have took it. So I played that win into a loss. That sucked. It hit 7 points, but I didn't get the target move fast enough, and then I did see that my brain just didn't register the fact that I had a red candle coming back down out of Vans as actually a possible entry for me. I should have got out there with the 5, and I didn't. But eventually. How's everyone else doing? Anyone else besides John taking any trades this morning? Nice. Rod? What kind of stop loss do you use on a 2-point scalp? Nice, Cossack. All right. Trying to bop back up. About ready to hit the top of the hour. Less than 30 seconds. Push down. Ooh, whip it. Whip down there at the top of the hour. Pop back up once. Whip down. Pop back up twice. Now whip down again. And there's the pop back up. I don't want any of this right now. Nightbot, chill. Must have the nightbots where they all converge at the top of the hour somehow. Back down. Wow, big old purple candle there on the 30. That would have been beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this, just bouncing up and down. Yeah, it's kind of whippy. It's kind of odd, really. Of course, the whole market's been kind of odd the last bit. Interesting. I was just followed on Twitter by someone with the Twitter handle of huge_cockroach. So now I need to get an exterminator for my Twitter. Guy's probably watching me and like I just insulted him. It's just a joke. Choppiness. Back up above the 20. Long off that blue candle. Yep. Hit that EMA. Come on, burst through it. You know you wanna. Eh, doesn't look like this is gonna work. Ouch. Definitely didn't work. We're back down to red now. April showers bring great sales for futures prop traders. First up, Apex, 80% off and no minimum trading days. Buy today, pass today, be trading funded tomorrow. Topstep, one step, one rule pricing, $49 for 50K. Easiest eval in the industry. Bulenox, two great sales, 90% off intraday accounts, first month only, or 83% off intraday accounts. That's recurring for a lifetime until you pass or cancel. And Earn to Trade, 50% off their new 10-day challenges. All subscriptions, including the TCP 50. Great deals. All links and codes for these sales are in the video description below. You can't hear me, Ace? Or you couldn't hear that ad? Did anybody hear that ad? It should be working. Okay. Hey, G-Man, you're late. Oh. Hey, Nico, good to see you. Well, wiggle those speakers, Ace, and good morning. Excellent, excellent. Ace is on the ball this morning. He's always on the ball. He sits on a big old exercise ball, which is weird, but works for him. Good core strength. If I sat on an exercise ball, first good trade, I would probably fall backwards and then be stuck on the floor like a turtle, upside down. Good morning, Mrs. Ace. Well, it got back up to 900. We've been fighting there a few times today. Well, thank you. We're short off that purple, which means it needs to fall, darn it. Well, that wasn't part of the plan. So back up, stopped out. Hey, right back up to that 900. Hey, RJ. How are you doing today? Choppiness. Back down to 887. Anyone that's on the Discord warning, I had to ban 2 more fake oxen this morning. So there might be more fake oxen out there in the wild. Pushes down. Got about 15 minutes to the bells. Hey, I forgot about the news again. Obviously, the news didn't matter there. Second time today I forgot about news. What symbol is TES? No, I'm kidding. I know what you mean, Ace. Fed Vice Chair Jefferson says interest rates could stay higher for longer if inflation persists. Yellen was also yelling. Seems like she stopped. Oh, there's GMAD also saying it. That sounds like a boat. The SSES. As if it right back and we tell a tale of a fateful ship. Nice ace. Yeah, blame me, ace. It's kind of chopping around. My mama told me we're gonna chop around. Pops back up to 879, 880 area. Kind of mid-range right now. No idea where we go. At the bell, which is coming up in 7 minutes. Trying to push up. So we have an odd survey request from Ace. How much does your garbage service cost? My landlord pays mine, so I'm not sure. I think it's like $50 a month or something like that. Yeah, what cost to the garbage company? Yeah, $12.50. I mean, I'm thinking that's what it is. Wait, your garbage service is included in your property taxes, John? That's interesting. Dropping down low. Again, see, my brain is just not processing that. It's again, this is a beautiful entry, and like I said, back here, this was a beautiful entry. For some reason, my brain just isn't processing. And I hear this one, it wasn't purple, but again, was a beautiful entry, and I just don't know why my brain's not processing that. I have to see how much a brain transplant costs. Then I'll need to maybe figure out how to get either like Ace's brain or G-Man's brain. Brains. Less than 5 minutes till the bell. Wow. That's trash. So that's let's see. 72, 16, 32, 64, 78. It's like $18 a week. Me and Ace come up with the same math. No one mentioned about me wanting brains, so that's a good thing. And then have to clean your car afterwards. Get the smell out. As Ace just said, 2 minutes. Get your butt in the chair, be ready. Thirty seconds. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Whoosh. Whoosh. And bounce. Look at that. I sat there watching it. Probably should have taken it long, but we'll see. Back down. So good. I didn't take too long. Can't decide what it wants to do here. Up, down, left, right. A, B, start. Drop 22 points in the first 10 seconds and then pop back up. Now it's pushing back down and popping back up. And popping back up. Long. Ooh, quick boom and then back down. Dang it, come on. Ah. Really? Wow. I am just not getting lucky today. That went up 8 points, didn't give me my 10, should have got out. Blue candle there, been another good one to take, but try it again. Whoa. Yeah, it was probably a bad trade too. Wait, what the heck? What just happened? Why do I have a buy and a sell? I'm confused why there's two orders there. I don't want to buy limit. I want out of everything here because I'm confused. It doesn't say I have any trade on. Don't trade of 8. What the heck? Now I have a trade on. Huh? What the heck just happened? Well, I don't know what happened there, but somehow I have no idea. I got to win. Show one trade entered and exited at the same time, and I lost $10, and then I gained $70. I don't understand. Not one bit. It's like duplicated a trade there, or I have no idea. I'm confused. But okay. Somehow I got a win out of it. We're short. And that's the type of luck I'm having today. It hit 47.5. My target is at 47. Where's my target at? Is that 47.5? It just didn't fill me. There we go. Target hit. Now we're starting to cook with gas. Nice bounce. So that bounced. So it got down to 34, bounced all the way back up. Wow, it's a 50-point bounce. Doesn't look like a 50-point bounce, but I guess it's a 50-point bounce. A lot of trash talk going on in the chat today. Try to push down again. Now, Yellen's already spoken, but Yellen's on the calendar again here on Financial Juice for the top of the hour. So I don't know if she spoke early or if she's going to be speaking again. Yeah. I read that as RJ at first. So I'm like, what did RJ do? Struggling to get back above 870. Yeah, I knew what you meant, G-Man. I was just like, my mind just read it as RJ at first. RJ's like, why are they talking about me? Up and just rejected down that purple candle. Whoosh. Pops down. Continuing the grind. Crude oil popping up. Gold kind of choppy. Haven't seen Crypticon in the last couple of days. Still grinding down now. Looks like yesterday's low of day broke for ES. And Q's also below yesterday's low of day. I went long there what I thought was a blue candle. It went away right at the last second. That's one of the problems that can happen is that you get ready to hit the button and then seriously, like right at the last second it goes away, but whatever. It's actually working. Target hit. There we go. Now we're back. Now we got some mojo going. Take that blue candle, the second blue candle there, because it's staying below that EMA. Let's see what happens. Okay, see, there's the red. Let's try to give me another blue. That stays below, above the EMA. We'll take it. Sneaks below it. Ended up being a blue candle with a bigger wick than body. I don't like those, but so we'll see if it works out. Looks like it's going to work out. That's okay. Yeah, we're giving us 10. On the blue candle, you see it running into an EMA and a band. Still rising. Just a nice rise back up. Dow trying to bounce to 38.080. Oh, I'm late. That's gonna. I jumped on that blue candle. And that's gonna stop me out. Watch it. Yep. Okay, back there. That was a quick reaction and probably it was a mistake being up that high and where it was. That's okay. Coming up on the top of the hour. About 8 minutes, 7 minutes away. So Blusky started their trading competition again. Apparently it started yesterday. It's only running for half a month. Yes, trying to pop with the blue candle there. Can't decide where we want to go right now. I don't know where we're going. I only know where we've been. Oh, that's where we're going. Oh, wow. Really up. Trying to get back up to 17.9. Maybe found the high there. Again, it's fighting around 900. Got up to 910, right back down to 907. ES, back up to 5106. Pulling back now, back down to 900. back down below 900, back up to 896. Where does she want to go? Like back up maybe. Oh, back up above 900. All right, back down to 900. And whoosh back down. I guess it decided down is the way it wants to go. And bouncing back up. Nice bounce. Back down. Up, yelling is yelling, huh? So she's yelling twice today. and dropping. And bouncing. Seems like I've said that a lot today. Dropping and bouncing, dropping and bouncing. Big candle though. How big was that candle? 16 points. I don't like big candles. I should have trusted the big candle. Oh, I'm late. Wow, I'm late. Late's going to cost me. Late by almost 3 points. I thought it would have got to my target anyway, but it makes my stop bigger. See if it comes back up. Nope. Maybe. Nope. Maybe. Hey, back to my entry. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, karma, 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 chameleon. There we go. Target hit. See, you're all ready to give up on that trade, and I knew it was going to hit all along. Pulls back right away. Coming down again. Yellen saying anything interesting? Choppy. Around 87, 89. Yes, back above 5,100. Am I seeing that right? Yeah, yeah. Back above 5,100. Ding, 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 ding. Don't know why I made dinging sounds. The 5-minute chart looks ugly. Again, reminder that if you're trading into the afternoon, Powell is on the docket to speak around 1:15 Eastern today. And there we go. Now we're rising up again. Whoosh. Up to 914. Nice rise up. Nice drop real quick. Quick. Not sure why I couldn't get that out. Quick drop. Well, 20 points on Enkia. Didn't grab either purple candle because I'm an idiot. Back up. Pop back up. And down. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Back down. Down below, back below 900. Kind of fighting that. Yep. Broke through there. Never mind. How's everybody doing at this point? Down. Out. Sorry, I didn't mean to hit the mic. And if your name is Mike, I didn't mean to hit you either. A little bit of sideways action. About 35 minutes left until the top of the hour. Been an up and down day. Sideways. Try to figure where it wants to go and how it wants to get there. Now watch that bandit run. Down. Back down to 880. 871 was the low of that candle. Bouncing up. We're trying. Yep, there's a bounce. And down. short off that purple candle. See if this bounces back up though. It looks like it's going to, maybe. Come on, push on down. There we go. Yep. Ah, bounce. Bouncing back down. See, that was me getting, well, let's see, 25. No, we got stopped out either way, so. Back up. Hanging around 865 right now. Heading out for your run, Ace. Have yourself a good day. booming back up. We're booming on up. I don't know. Thought it was going to give me a blue candle. So maybe try and still. Not a convincing blue candle by any means. Back down. Yeah, it is schizo today. I mean, maybe. Let's look. Let's look at a bigger picture, and I guess I don't know. I mean, it's obviously the direction has been down since about 10:15. We've dropped 90 points. Came up, sideways, up, and then whooshing down for the last 20 minutes. Dropping hard. Maybe Powell will do something this afternoon, RJ. Coming up. Didn't take that first blue candle. Not quite sure why. So we'll try the second one. We're long, late somehow. And would I've gotten 10 off that first blue? I would have. Now I'm late. Oh, there we go. Nice, nice, nice. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Target hit. Boom. Now there's another blue candle. Technically, my strategy says to take it, but I'm happy with that move there. And that blue candle went to work. So I knew what I was doing. Fake it until you make it. We stalled out here around 860. Coming back down. Back up. Comes back down. Still trying to push up. A little extended. Let's see. Oh, big push. Hits that EMA. Still pushing up. Yep, I agree, RJ. Schizo. That's where I got to start trusting these blue candles on the way up. I just like my mind immediately thinks it's not going to continue, but obviously, most of the time it continues. Pulls back just a tad. Did we reach a high? 876. Pulls back. About 10 minutes to go in the stream. Down we go. Back up. Nice bounce. Bounces again. Up, down, up, down. Let's see. What's everything else done real quick? Gold. Kind of muddled through the morning. Ultravon kept dropping. Trying to bounce now. Copper fell. And crude oil fell and then just trying to bounce. Bitcoin still dying. There are people dying. We're long off that blue candle. Not the most convincing blue candle. And it looks like I should have just stayed out of that one. Maybe. There we go. Come on up. Come on up. I just added a contract, which is not something I normally do. But I did it off that second blue candle. Target hit on number 1. Out on number 2. Maybe not. Now we're out on number 2. So there we go. I use financial juice, RJ. Oh. I'm not sure the other ones. I know there are other ones, but I can't think of any. Ah, Forex Factory. No wonder you're blocking it out because Forex sucks. Is there a reason you like Forex Factory better than Financial Juice? There's another one on, I can't remember the name of. Ah, okay. Makes sense. Coming back down. Ooh, wow. Big old candle there. Ah. Shame Ace wasn't here, RJ. He would have loved that. Back down. So finishing the stream up 347 in the green. Hey, Matt Moxie. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Glad to hear that. One last quick reminder before we go. If you've enjoyed today's stream, appreciate if you'll gore that like button. Let people know that you enjoyed it. Both funded accounts are slightly red. I haven't really been trading them much because I've been trying to just get some consistency with this strategy and all. I just haven't felt like I'm there yet, so just kind of letting them percolate for now. Hopefully start trading them in the next couple days or next week. Yeah, I have a funded Apex and I have a funded Topstep. And on that note, we've reached the end of our stream. We've actually went 2 minutes over. You got 2 minutes extra. You have to pay extra for that. No, I'm kidding. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll be back tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Remember, if you're trading into the afternoon today, Powell's on the docket at 1:15 Eastern. Don't get palled. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.